Hello everyone. Let us now move to the second controlled access method, that is polling. Polling works with those topologies in which one device is assigned as primary station and remaining all other devices in the network, they are assigned as secondary stations. So in this concept, whatever the data exchanges, transmission and reception, it takes place through the primary device. Even then, ultimately, even secondary devices are also involved in the network and the communication. So whatever the exchanges, the communication occurs, it is through the primary device. Okay, so primary device, it will control the link, the channel it will control, and it has got the higher authority, and remaining all other secondary devices, they will follow its instructions. Okay, here two important functions we will come across. One is called polling and the other one is called select. Poll and select, two functions we come across. Let us see example for each one of these functions. Whenever a primary device has something to send, primary station has something to send, that time select function is being used. Assume this is the example given, wherein this is the primary device and there are two secondary devices A and B, out of which primary device has a data to send to secondary device B. Okay, when primary device has something to send, then select function is used. How? Primary device, it will first, no doubt, whenever primary device is the main, okay, it is the center through which the communication is taking place, it is the ultimate thing, it will control the link. But however, it has some data to send, it knows that the channel is free because no other communication is taking place. Communication center itself is primary device, so obviously the link is available, link is free. But whether the secondary device is ready to take the signal, ready to receive the data, so this condition has to be checked first before sending the data. For that, what it will do, primary device, it will send the select signal to the secondary device B. When device B sends the acknowledgement back to the primary device telling that yes, I am free, I can receive the data, then the primary device will send the data to the secondary device, and in turn, after receiving the data, it will send the acknowledgement back. This is about the select function when primary station, primary device has a data to send. Now let us move to the poll function. Poll function is used when secondary device has data to send. Primary device is only involved in selection, authorizing the station, that's it, it has nothing to send. Only secondary devices are having the data to send. In this scenario, what primary station will do is, here in the example there are two devices. Okay, so primary device, it will send poll signal to secondary devices one after the other. Here there are two, so it will send two poll signals. If there are 3, 4, 5 different secondary devices are there, that many times a poll signal will be sent to individual secondary device. Okay, here in this first case, it is sending poll signal to check whether A has anything to send. In turn, A will respond back by telling no acknowledgement, okay, nil, negative acknowledgement, it has nothing to send. So primary device, primary station will go to the second secondary device, that is B, it will again send the poll signal. Upon receiving, yes, B will respond back by sending the data itself to the primary device that yes, I have something to send, so this is the data. So upon receiving the data itself, primary device, primary station will send the acknowledgement back to the secondary device. So polling is one after the other, it will check for the whether any station has data to send. and upon receiving the data it will send the acknowledgement. So in this way poll and select functions are used in the polling method.